Hi, my name is Saxon Funk, and I'm the owner of Wild Oak Trail, and we're an authorized dealer for Nature's Head Composting Toilet. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to unbox it and show you the pieces that come with it. This is a great solution for people that live in RVs, tiny houses, if you have an off-grid cabin, or if you have a shed, just for a place that you want to have an extra bathroom in. You'll see how easy it is to set up with all the components that we show. So let's just jump in here. This will be the same box that you get at your place. When ordering from Wild Oak Trail, you should expect this within about 5 to 7 business days. And here we go. It's got a nice crown on here. This piece protects the unit. Our unit went a little bit of an extra distance as we live in Canada, so it got to experience even extra care for postal trade-off, and I'll say that it definitely stood up to the rigorous shipping. All comes in one unit. Just gonna put it down here. And that's pretty amazing. Everything is inside of it. There is nothing else other than a nice box that, as you can see, cratered it quite well. So what we're going to do now is remove this bag. I apologize if my mic picked up on the ruffling of that bag noise. Move that to the side. All right, and we've got a bit of a plastic sheet on here, which is nice. That protects this here, as this is a visible piece, so there's no scratches. Go ahead and remove that. What's nice is these are actually made in the US. You don't hear that very often. They've got their own molding factory. We've got a nice little welcome letter here from Nature's Head. Also have any contact information if you have any warranty issues. If you order through Wild Oak Trail, we're more than happy to walk you through any situations. Just going to close this blade. All right, so if you want to just come over here, we've got a few things. I'll take a quick little gander over how this looks. All right, so we're now going to go ahead and open this up and see what the contents are. What's neat about this is, so when you go to actually change off, to empty this, you just slide this out just like that. And in here is where your fan is. I don't know if you can zoom in there or pull up, but you'll see that that's where the actual fan is, and you plug in your power right into here. So we'll go ahead and fish those out in just a moment. So for now, I'm just going to put this down, and I should actually note, very impressed with the seals everywhere. So this is where your solid waste would be sealed, and this is where your liquids are sealed. So inside of it, we've got a 5-foot exhaust hose. It's 1.5 inch. Just going to put this to the side. In this box here, we actually have the vent cover. This is aesthetically pleasing, so this would go on the outside of your tiny home or RV or wherever you're putting this. Comes with the screws as well. We've got our instruction manual with our warranty card. And so it gives great step-by-step instructions of exactly how to set this up. Again, our staff is always available to help you out with that as well. We've got our spindle. Looks like in here we've got our 12 volt power. If you're going to wire this up to a battery, this is our vent cover that you plug in. We've got our fuse if you're going to do the 12 volt. And then these brackets here are just like a toilet like you have at home. And so then this will allow you to be able to anchor yourself in there, and then it easily comes off so that you can remove it. And the way that you do that is you have these spindles here, and you just take these out and you can lift them up, and then you're able to empty it. And when it comes to liquid waste, if you've got 2 people, you're probably going to be emptying this about every 2 to 3 days. And if you've got solid waste, you're going to be doing it probably about every 1.5 to 2 weeks. And then the last thing that this has is the cap, so that when you are going to empty out your liquid waste, you don't have to worry about any spillage or anything else like that. And that concludes the unboxing of your Nature's Head composting toilet. So if you have any questions, if you're looking to purchase one, please feel free to give us a call, toll free at 844-945-3625. We're also available by chat at wildoaktrail.com. Hope to earn your business and have a great day.